How to draw an isometric block. First, setting your canvas. Create a new layer and set it to drawing axis, and then start to draw a block. It is going to be 3 levels, and I'm drawing the 3rd level now. I will also draw a stair to walk up to the 2nd level. Create a new layer and set it to drawing axis. I'm drawing a stair now. You can draw just one side of the stair and then duplicate it. Merge all the layer of the stair, and then you can edit or erase the line that you don't want. It's done. I have 2 results. The first one, no door, and the second one, I drew a door to the back.